Hello everyone. Hello everybody. This is Gladys Osage. Today I want to tell you how you can use this amazing app to get some videos that will help you to build your network marketing business. By the way, if you're looking to use it to build your juiceless business as well, you can use it. Or anybody, like maybe you're looking for a way you want to get some video off Facebook. There's an app called Friendly for Facebook. So I'm going to share my screen so you can see how to get this app. So I'm sharing my screen right away. So, and then if you're just jumping to my YouTube channel, thank you so much for jumping on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel because you're going to be getting daily, weekly, monthly tutorial on how you can build your network marketing business. Now, for example, you're on Facebook and you saw a video that you like, you can go to Friendly for Facebook, get this app. Get this app, make sure you sign up with your Facebook account. Once you get this app, you'll be able to download anything you want from Facebook. Now, I have already signed up with Friendly for Facebook app. I've already signed up, but you need to do your own sign up. Now, let me go to my video. There's one video that I want to take from my page. Now, I'll go to you type in the person name, the person's Facebook profile you saw the video from. You type that person's name. Remember the person's name. So like I'm going to my own Facebook now to get a video that I want to send to another social media channel of mine. So I created this video from Facebook, so it's not on my phone. So now this is the video I want to take. So now all I need to do, you can see the download sign button is there. Once you click that download, it will be on your profile. So you can still take this video and decide to post it on YouTube. I can still decide to post the same video on other social media platform. Just trying to, yeah, 6 minutes. This video is long. You can post it on TikTok. You can still post this video on TikTok. I think TikTok can take 10 minutes. And then I'll take this video right away now. I'm going to my TikTok account to post that video there. So now just let's do this together. Let's do this. So now I'll go to video. I'll go to camera, then go to upload. Anyway, so let's find the video. So I'm just looking for the video. So where is the video here? So it has not really come. So it has not come. So let me be sure. So what I will do now, I'll go back again to my Friendly for Facebook app to be sure why the video has not come. Because sometimes you need to actually you need to tap it very well. You need to tap it very well. So I'll go to Friendly, go to my name, Gladys Osage, DYS Osage. Okay, that's me there. And that's the first video that I think it will be on my page. So all I need to do now is to download. Video downloading. So we need to give it time. It's actually 6 minutes video. So maybe I was too fast. So I'll go to my gallery and check. So give it time to come. By the way, maybe it might be up to so you need to give that thing time for it to appear on your okay, you can see it's there. Two of them actually show up. So you see now it's there actually downloaded. So I actually downloaded it the first time the right way. So I just need to be patient. So now I'll go to my TikTok now. I'm using that same video now to get another something I need to do. I go to my upload on TikTok and then I put that thing there, you know. So this is how you do it. So all I need to do is to post the same video now on my TikTok channel, and then I'll write whatever caption that I want to write. So I'm just going to check for, oh, yeah. And then I'll just do that there. You never know who might be looking for the opportunity. And then that's it there. And then post. So post now is there now. So you see, that's how you can download Friendly for Facebook. You can repurpose you can use, this is the app. So if you're on Play Store, just go to play. I'm going to put the link there on this YouTube channel where you can be able to get the link so that you can get the right Friendly for Facebook link. So go Friendly for Facebook. Friendly, just say Friendly. Friendly is there. So this is the one you really need, this symbol. So you say open. Once you also say install, so you need to click install. Yeah. So thank you so much for coming into this channel. If you are getting some regular, you're inspired by my posts, my videos, and you want one-on-one tutorial, personal coaching, you can sign up with Glad Coaching with WhatsApp with a link that I'm going to share in this video. You can sign up for one-on-one coaching, or you can join my private members area where you'll be able to get regular content and inspiring content that can help you build your business. Have a great day. Bye. Have a great day. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, everybody. Checking out. God bless. Just in case you want more information about what I do, maybe you're not into the Juice Plus business, you can always go to this website and become a partner. You can learn how to create a recurring income for wherever you are, using different platforms to promote your Juice Plus business. And you can always get to me. Once you register, I'll be able to get in touch with you. God bless.